Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove slime off your carpet. And this is just a one ingredient slime. Well, a one ingredient thing. All you're going to be needing is your hand. Well, I'm not going to be putting a little bit in the carpet though, because I don't want to waste my slime. Okay, that should be good enough. Just stick it on the carpet now. It has to be really stuck on there. If you step on it, it will be really easy then. Oh goodness. God, that like stuck. I wonder. Okay, I think it's ready now. All you want to do is just get out the excess pot like this. Just get all the big pots. Okay, see, that's all the big pots. Good. Okay, now I'm going to just scrub. You just scrub. Okay, just turn a little more. So I'm just going to do that. All you got to do is just do this with your nails. And, yeah. And it makes a big mess, but trust me, it's way more better than having slime on your carpet. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. I just have to do a 2-minute break. Okay, I'm back. But anyways, see guys how it's kind of all away? It's like, it's right there. And then see, this is proof I'm in my bedroom, but yeah. See, this is the spot where I put it. Also guys, do you want to see my, cause it's a cute sheep, but this is not the whole entire thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is my, fit. Yeah, it looks like, I have a big stomach. Why does it look like it looks so dark? I'm not actually dark. But, yeah, I hope you like my outfit. But anyways, yeah, guys, see, it's all gone. Anyways, guys, that's all for now.